Hello, my friends. Hello. This is JoAnn's showing you some of the items that they have for the Halloween season. JoAnn's, I believe they have a website. I'll link it below. Let me know if you've been to a JoAnn's before. But I haven't been into JoAnn's in it's probably been 10 years or near 10 years. It's been quite some time. So it was a treat getting in there. I was actually surprised at how much crafting stuff JoAnn's has expanded to, whereas before they were always about fabrics and sewing, and now they're about every kind of craft you can imagine. I was actually quite impressed by the changes that I've seen in JoAnn's in the last 10 years. Um, as you can see here, they actually have a pretty decent amount of Halloween items in their shop. Their Halloween items aren't just in one specific area, though. They are kind of spread out through a few different aisles and a few different locations in the store. So if you're, hoping that it's going to just be all in one spot, this store, at least this location specifically, had stuff a little bit more sporadically placed, it seemed. I saw some new items that they had, but I also saw some familiar items that I've seen in years past. I love all of the selection of holiday or even fall themed pillows that they had. I thought they were really, really cute. I love a good throw pillow. And it's an easy way that you can kind of just decorate up a chair or a couch or a bed with not a lot of effort. But yeah, they had ones that were shaped like spiders and ghosts and skulls and bats and cats and rats. And no, I'm just kidding. They didn't have any rats ones, but I was on a rhyming roll. I had to do it. Here's some window decorations. I've never been into that gel window decoration stuff. I don't know, like how well it works or how long it stays, but it's just never been a thing that has caught my eye enough to try. That is cute. The little goat. I like the little goat. Very cute. We got a farm out here nearby that has goats. Probably about 25 or 30 herd of 25 or 30 goats. And oh my goodness. They're so loud and so talkative and so cute. Many an evening they are talking away, being super loud, doing their little goaty goat talk. You can see they've got skeletons clearly have become a popular thing. I don't remember 20 years ago skeletons being this prevalent as far as this many options of different skeleton style items, but they definitely have the skeleton items these days. And of course, you're always going to see the witches, ghosts, cauldrons, all the standard typical. That's kind of cool. Beware those who are sensitive to strobing, as myself, I am sensitive to strobing. But yeah, I think the selection there was pretty good. This is their preliminary Halloween stuff, so they're gonna have more stuff. And you can see they even have, bags and kitchen towels, some really cute designs on the kitchen towels. I tried to zoom in so you could kind of like see or get a good, view of everything that they had. So you could kind of get an idea if JoAnn's is carrying something this year that maybe you feel like you need to have. I love that bat. So cute. Oh my gosh. It's adorable. And as you saw up there, I don't know if you noticed because it kind of panned by quickly, there was a 40% off sticker up there on the items in that area. I guess like the yard sign style items. I really like this little hand thing. Anything that you see me physically touch will give you a good indication that I like it enough that I want to feel it. I want to have it in my hand, see how it feels. That was cute. Cute little, what, I can't even think what it's called now. DJ. There we go. Cute little DJ. Sorry, I'm having a brain foggy kind of a day today. Those of you with chronic illness understand what I'm talking about. With lupus comes brain fog, so that's quite always an adventure for me. Some nice wall hanging decorations, candle decors, and what have you. I like the moon shelf, the half moon shelf. I thought that was cute. Giving y'all a little booty shake. There you go. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Yeah. This store was also playing music, so that is why we're doing a voiceover. Um, and of course, here's some more decor. They really had quite a few nice things. There I am with my 3M mask, keeping safe. Safety first. And yeah, I like the little spider bowls. Those are kind of cute for a little treat bowl. I would worry though that if you put that on a wooden table and someone bumped it, it would scratch the table because of the little spider legs. Some wine corks and bottle openers and other things for those who enjoy wine or bottles. But yeah, the ghost decor is super cute. I actually prefer the ghost decor over the skeleton decor as far as aesthetically. And there's some pink. So see, pink is coming in. Pink is making its debut for Halloween, and I welcome it. I'm not even a big pink fan, but I just like seeing the diversity of colors coming in. That's so cute. Little tray. Oh my goodness. Cuteness overload. I tell you what, if I wanted to go in there and buy all the things that I would like to have and display in my home, I probably would have walked out of there spending easily $300 or more. Like, I mean, even though things sometimes can be on sale and discounts, and still like prices, they just are out of my reach. Even the small prices are out of my reach. So instead of buying, I will just go and look and eyeball and ooh and ah and do the window shopping style shopping. Which I mean, it's not the same as buying stuff to take home and enjoy, but it still has its own level of enjoyment. Oh, look at that little kitty vampire. So cute. Vampire. Feeling batty. I can relate to that. Yep. But yeah, this kind of gives me that nice enjoyment of the shopping experience, but it does not do anything to me financially, which I appreciate because I just can't. Y'all understand. I know some of you do. Some of you are like me and are, squeaking by. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this and give me a thumbs up and a subscribe if you like it. And I'll link JoAnn's below. See you in the next video.